Biography of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the last messenger of Islam, was born in 570 CE in the city of Mecca in present-day Saudi Arabia. He belonged to the respected tribe of Quraysh and was raised by his uncle, Abu Talib, after being orphaned at an early age. Known for his honesty and integrity, he earned the titles Al-Amin, the trustworthy, and As-Siddiq, the truthful, among the people of Mecca. At the age of 25, he married Khadija, a wealthy widow 15 years his senior, who became his closest confidant and first supporter of his prophethood. Muhammad often retreated to the cave of Hira for meditation, and at the age of 40, during one such retreat, he received the first revelation of the Quran through the angel Gabriel. This marked the beginning of his mission as the prophet of Islam, calling people to monotheism and away from the idolatry that was prevalent in Mecca. His message emphasized the oneness of God, Allah, social justice, compassion, and the moral and spiritual upliftment of society. Despite facing fierce opposition and persecution from the Quraysh leaders, Muhammad continued to preach his message. In 622 CE, due to increasing hostility, Muhammad and his followers migrated to the city of Medina in an event known as the Hijra. This migration marked the start of the Islamic calendar and led to the establishment of the first Islamic state, where the Prophet served not only as a spiritual leader but also as a political and military figure. His leadership in Medina saw the formation of a multi-religious community based on a constitution that ensured rights and duties for Muslims, Jews, and other inhabitants, laying the foundation for Islamic governance. Over the next decade, Muhammad united the Arabian Peninsula through a combination of treaties, alliances, and battles. His most significant military engagement was the conquest of Mecca in 630 CE, where he entered the city peacefully and granted amnesty to many of his former adversaries, demonstrating his deep capacity for forgiveness and reconciliation. He then cleansed the Kaaba of idols, restoring it as a sanctuary dedicated to the worship of Allah alone. The Prophet's final sermon, delivered during his farewell pilgrimage in 632 CE, encapsulated the essence of his teachings, emphasizing the equality of all humans, the sanctity of life and property, and the rights of women. Shortly after returning to Medina, Muhammad passed away at the age of 63, leaving behind a legacy that transformed the religious, social, and political landscape of the world. His teachings, as preserved in the Quran and the Hadith, his sayings and actions, continue to guide the lives of over 1 billion Muslims globally. Muhammad's life, marked by humility, compassion, and dedication to spreading the message of Islam, has been a source of inspiration for countless people. His emphasis on mercy, justice, and monotheism not only reformed Arabian society, but also laid the groundwork for a civilization that would reach unparalleled heights in various fields, including science, literature, and philosophy.